Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the ever-evolving world of home automation and convenience, robot vacuum cleaners have emerged as one of the most ingenious and time-saving household gadgets. These autonomous cleaning marvels have revolutionized the way we maintain our homes, effortlessly gliding across floors to rid them of dust, dirt, and debris. If you're on the lookout for the best robot vacuum cleaner to make your life easier and your home cleaner, you're in the right place. In this article, we'll explore the top 5 robot vacuum cleaners that have garnered rave reviews and acclaim for their exceptional performance, innovative features, and cutting-edge technology. Say goodbye to the tedious chore of vacuuming and say hello to a cleaner, smarter future with these fantastic robotic assistants. Number 5. ABIR X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR X8 boasts a sleek and modern design that seamlessly fits into any home decor. Its compact size, 33,033,096 mm, allows it to easily navigate through tight spaces and under furniture, ensuring a thorough clean in every corner of the room. The robot vacuum feels sturdy and well constructed, assuring me of its durability. This robot vacuum truly excels in cleaning performance. Equipped with a powerful 6,500 PA suction, it efficiently sucks up dirt, dust, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. The Y-shaped dynamic mopping feature ensures that my floors are not only clean, but also spotless. It also has a HEPA filter, making it suitable for allergy sufferers. One of the standout features of the ABIR X8 is its navigation system. With LiDAR and SLAM dual location technology, it creates accurate maps of my home and plans efficient cleaning routes. It can handle multiple floors and even remembers these maps for future cleaning sessions. The TOF Wisdom sensor helps it avoid obstacles, making sure it doesn't get stuck or damaged during operation. Number 4. ECOVACS Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ECOVACS Robot Vacuum Cleaner boasts a sleek and modern design that effortlessly blends into any home decor. Its compact and low-profile design allows it to easily navigate under furniture and in tight spaces, ensuring a thorough cleaning job. The build quality feels sturdy and durable, which is reassuring for a long-lasting investment. This robot vacuum offers a range of operating modes, and I appreciate the flexibility it provides. With 3 to 4 different cleaning modes, I can tailor its operation to suit my needs, whether it's a quick spot clean or a comprehensive cleaning session. The planned cleaning route ensures that every inch of my home is covered, leaving no room for dirt or debris to hide. The Li-ion battery in the ECOVACS Robot Vacuum Cleaner delivers a commendable 2 hours of continuous cleaning. While this may not be the longest battery life on the market, it's more than sufficient to clean most homes. The wireless operation means no annoying cords to deal with, and the robot seamlessly returns to its charging dock when it needs a recharge. Number 3. ABIR X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR X6's cleaning prowess is exceptional. Equipped with a powerful imported Japanese brushless motor, it delivers an impressive 6,000 PA of max suction power. It effortlessly tackles dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from various surfaces, leaving my floors spotless. The robot's efficient brush and selective cleaning area feature ensure no corner is left untouched. The incorporation of visual, VSLAM, and SLAM navigation systems, along with the Smart Eye system, allows the ABIR X6 to navigate my home flawlessly. It efficiently maps my space, storing the layout and the accompanying app for future reference. This enables it to create precise cleaning routes and avoid obstacles with ease. One of the standout features of the ABIR X6 is its ability to customize cleaning. The app allows me to designate specific areas for cleaning, set virtual barriers, and even instruct the robot to clean a targeted point. This level of customization ensures that it cleans where I need it the most. Number 2. Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Lefant M210 Pro boasts a sleek and modern design that seamlessly blends with my home decor. Its compact size allows it to navigate under furniture and tight spaces effortlessly. The build quality feels robust, ensuring durability over time. Equipped with a powerful 19V motor ranging from 11 to 20 W, this robot vacuum cleaner offers impressive suction capabilities. It effectively removes dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets, hardwood floors, and even tackles light mopping tasks. While it may not be suitable for heavy-duty mopping, it excels at daily maintenance. The M210 Pro utilizes advanced sensors and intelligent navigation algorithms to move around obstacles and efficiently clean every corner of my home. It rarely gets stuck, and its ability to return to the charging dock automatically is a lifesaver. Number 1. WMJS Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The WMJS Robot Vacuum Cleaner boasts a compact and modern design that easily complements any home decor. Measuring at just 300x 300x 65mm, it effortlessly maneuvers under furniture and around obstacles. The build quality feels solid, and the robot is well constructed. Equipped with a dust box capacity of 1 to 2 liters and a powerful 12W motor, this vacuum cleaner effectively tackles dust, dirt, and pet hair. The planned cleaning route ensures thorough coverage of the entire area, leaving no spot untouched. While it may not have a turbo brush, it still manages to pick up debris with ease. The WMJS robot vacuum cleaner offers a reasonable battery life of 1.5 to 2 hours on a single charge. This is generally sufficient to clean most rooms, and it automatically returns to its charging base when the battery is low, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning session. Thanks for watching this video.